are back on Lawn Cheetahs with a second Honda lawnmower. We have a project going on that will probably be a video before this. So we have a Honda, basically. It's a 3-in-1. It's twin blade like the other one we have. And then it has this thing where you can change it from bag to mulch mode. So like back here, it's just this door that you just use it like that. Anyway, some issues we've already noticed. We have the air filter and the cover. They are both missing. It's filthy. And if you flip it over, which we'll do, it's okay. The blade is not in great condition. And second of all, we have a broken drive belt. Yep. So yeah, that's just, oh my, what is this? Yeah, that's just first impressions on, is this dirt? But yeah, I think we're just gonna clean this, but you've seen how it looked. I think we're just gonna clean this. Okay, so we were gonna wash this before we turned the video camera back on, but this is how thick the dirt is here. It's this thick. We're going to try to start this just by putting a little gas in, and we have like a gas leak. It just might be this simple. There's a bolt under the carburetor that might be loose, and that might be all it is. We don't know yet. We'll check that out. So it was possibly a stuck float inside the carburetor that just loosened itself and got unstuck. So yeah, we're gonna test this again. So basically, it started, it ran, and we drove it around a little bit. It cut the grass. So what we found out was it went into full, well basically it really revved up over there and it wouldn't go down. And we found out that this was really, it would not move. Anyway, after a little bit of like pushing on this and stuff, we were able to free it up. So it's working good again. This is the linkage, the governor spring is this thing, I think. Anyway, our plan is this. We stole from the other Honda lawnmower that we have. I think we're gonna order one of these, so that'll be pretty easy. We're gonna clean the carburetor in our ultrasonic. We have to do the drive belt. We will replace that, and we will fix the hole here. So pretty simple. Just get a new one of these, clean the carburetor, and change the drive belt and fix that. And this is our other project. It's a Craftsman. We don't know which video will come up first. But yeah. Okay, so here we are. We just wanted to tell you we have our new air filter cover. I had told you earlier, this one we stole from our other Honda. So we don't need that anymore. But here's the new one with the new air filter. So we got that. Still waiting for the drive belt. Yeah.
Are you actually installing it right now?
Yeah, you just put in the air filter.
Oh, it just sets in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else? What's the next step going to be?
The drive belt. We gotta get that. So yeah. See you later. we got our drive belt on and we broke a bolt. Well, I broke a bolt. It's not in a very essential place, so we'll look at that some other time, but we're gonna try and start it and see if the drive belt works.